Hello and thank you for joining me for another video of the WineDirect Fulfillment Portal. Today we will be reviewing packing slips, more specifically the configuration of packing slips and the ability to edit packing slips within the Fulfillment Portal. You can locate the packing slip feature under the Administrations tab of your main menu on the left-hand side. Once doing so, you will need to add a template, which will be the guideline containing all of the information that will personalize your packing slip. The specific attributes to a general packing slip include your client logo and or name up at the top, all of the recipient and shipped to information, including the sold to information, name and address, as well as the shipped to name and address. The shipment contents, which will include the specific SKUs of the products, the quantity of those SKUs, and a description of those SKUs. It is important at this time to note that nowhere on the packing slip are prices listed for specific products, so this can be given as a gift and there will be no price that is listed. Finally, the last section of our packing slips include a gift message section. If a gift message is included on the receipt of a processed order once it hits the fulfillment portal, that gift message will then be printed out within the specific section of the packing slip. If there is no gift message, then of course that space will then not be populated by any characters. If you do decide to have a marketing message or a brand message go along within your packing slip, this will be the final thing that will print out on the packing slip as well. This is what the packing slip itself looks like. So now let's talk about how to build out your packing slip. So if you do not already have a template created, you will want to create one by clicking the Add Template icon here. Within your starter kit as a new fulfillment client, one of the pages you will be completing is the build of your packing slip. So generally this is done as a new client. However, if you choose to change it completely or amend it or add a new template, you can do so by clicking the Add Template here. Here you will want to go ahead and title the template whatever you would like, making sure it differs from any other additions you have within the system, as well as an ordering code, and then of course your marketing message here. So again, the only things that you really can personalize within a packing slip is your marketing message, the brand logo, and of course the template name. For templates that have already been created, by clicking the 3-button hamburger icon on the right-hand side, you can see you are able to edit, preview, and or delete these. Clicking on the edit will again allow you to modify those 3 sections we just talked about. Finally, once you have created a packing slip template, you then can assign it to specific order types. More often than not, all packing slips will want to be assigned to all order types, but it is important to keep in mind that due to collateral such as newsletters and wine club gifts, packing slips are not included in any wine club type order types. Therefore, as default, packing slips are assigned to daily orders only. If you do wish for those to be assigned to special and order packing as well, please work with your account manager to make this change. Thank you so much for joining me for this video, and we'll see you on the next round.